Hey, this is Steven. Oh, wait, so I can start the stopwatch. Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome back to my product development series. We are back working on the CodeFlow project, and so as you guys remember, I'll show you guys here right now. As you remember, we last video we got the Add Action button to work. So now every time you hit Add Action, it'll add an action segment and probably come up with a where is this? Anyways, we got the add action button to work here. So now you add action, you name the particular action. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create the script that when you create the add action button and it creates a new piece here, when you enter this in and then hit enter, what it will do is it will basically take this text, copy it, and then paste it into a button and create a button at the same exact space that was in, right? So on in edit, basically it will go in and change that particular script. Of course, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to bring back in that button, or edit the the piece itself. This is the one that we use for name action text. So let's go ahead and delete. I don't think we need that. We also don't need that, wherever that is. Oh yeah, action. So that's what we're gonna edit and drag into there. Alright, so let's figure out what script we need to edit. Let's do action script. This .set parent whatever. Let's go ahead and get one open. And I think what we'll do is we'll do it inside the view control. Waiting for it to load in. Or this could also be inside the action. Doesn't really need to be inside somewhere else. So if you have the action, let's see if it says this.transform. So what it will do is it'll create a prefab. So we'll have a piece in here similar to this, which is the prefab. Right. And then this is going to be called the specific action button or something. This is going to be open. So let's say open action button. Let's say add new action, blah blah blah, get control. And I'll say this.transform.set parent view can. So let's just say set parent. Okay, so basically what we're going to do here is we're going to instantiate. What do I instantiate these? I think I'm instantiating those in the add action button. So this is moving it, and this is setting the parent. So all we need to do here is first what we're going to do is we're going to do everything that we can to build it. So we're going to build it first, and then in this script set all its stuff to different places. This add action button instantiates view control.set parent seg bar or whatever, and then after that instantiate, and this we're just going to have it instantiate. Oh, and that's not an update. Sorry. This is going to be in like a void. Let's do like a void open action button. And let's just override. Let's just override this. So basically, let's just do this pretty much in here, and then we'll instantiate the open action button, and then we don't want to move it because we're basically going to tell it to destroy itself at the very end, to destroy the object because we don't need it anymore. View control.set add action location this dot transform local position view set this dot transform dot parent, and then we want it to destroy this just call it action button. Okay, so then let's see if that's got an error. Nope. Okay, so it passes. Oh, and another thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to set another. So this is view control set action text. This dot. So it's going to be this dot text or something. So this is going to be inside of a this dot get component text, I guess. So basically what we're doing here is, no, it's not that. Oh, input field dot text. What's it get? So I think this text is the same as this. So I think you have the same. Okay, so yeah, we basically should just grab that text. Get component, or we could tell it to get child. Transform.getChild.text. This.gameObject.transform.getChild. This dot, let's go ahead and copy and paste it. This this is the one we're looking for right here. Sorry about the noise. I'm doing some work on the other room here. People.this.gameObject, this.gameObject.transform .get child 0. But this is, what is this attached to though? This is attached to this, right? No. Oh, but this isn't even... So where's action even attached to? Okay, so yeah, action's attached to this. So that's correct, that's what we want. And then in here, get child, you want text, which has its own transform. Okay, so that's what we want. And then type text, pretty much. So meeple here would be text input, text. So the action name equals, so let's say text action name, and here this is going to be text. Oh wait, action name. No, we don't need this. Because we're just going to go in here, get child 0, should be child 0, and then dot text. Or should be dot text. And then this is going to be, I'm going to call open action. We need that. And then we need public text action name. String action name. There we go. Public string action name, and then this is action name. And then we're gonna set action name, set action text to the view control. So here we get action location, public static void set action name, or set action text, set action text, string text. And here, set action text, so we're going to say and then we're going to have this again, but a return method. Get action text, doesn't receive anything, and then this is return. Return action text. Build. Yeah, so we don't really need this, theoretically speaking. Child dot text. would that be get component? So dot get component maybe? Get component text. Actually, what we could do is, does it allow us to send the text using just clicking on the button? Ah! Well, there you go. So you don't need bullshit with that. Okay. I like that. So this is just going to be add action button and accepts string text. And the string text is going to be action name text. Your control does action name equals. I don't really need to do that. So we can just get rid of that altogether. So here is just set text, or yeah, text. There you go. Okay. And then it should destroy it. This start transform.local position, blah blah blah, and then we're gonna need another script that basically controls the button so that when it creates itself, it puts itself in that same spot. And this is open action button. There we go. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see. It should have changed quite a bit. Let's just make sure it has changed. I think it's action, right? Yep. So let's just see what happens here. You hit this. Let's also do a debug line here, and then say action here, and we're gonna say, oh well, before it destroys itself, obviously. So edit complete now destroying self. So if it doesn't do something that we think it should do up to that point, then we know something's wrong. And also, just for that, I'm going to, also, that's what I didn't do. I didn't do on in stream. Runtime only to itself. No function, action. I probably didn't make it public. I did. Okay. And then let's go ahead and change prefab. Oh, and also I know what we're missing. We're missing the prefab for the button itself. So let's go ahead and change that. Let's go ahead and add the component. So we want a button that is the exact same thing, the exact same size as this. Copy component. Where's my button? Here it is. Oops. So let's just paste component values. So those guys should be the same. And this is, let's go ahead and leave it there. So we say action button. Create a prefab. And put the action button in there. Oops. Rename it. Probably not gonna let us rename. Let's just delete it. Creates prefab. This is action button. Action button, fill with prefab. Boom. And then this guy is basically supposed to have, oops, and this is action button. Alright, now it should do what we say for it to do. Action button, open the sign. So, did I drag that back in there? I didn't drag that back in there. God dang it. Yeah, see, it's not in there. There we go. Okay. Wait. Okay. Edit complete, now destroying self. So it should have created an action button clone, but it didn't actually delete itself. So that's kind of weird. Oh, destroy game object. Kills the game object. Okay, so that's what I want. I don't want just to destroy the script, so it's just destroying this script. So I want to destroy this game object. So I'm gonna say like this dot game object. Game object dot this or something. How does it know what game object? I guess that works. Now what we need to do is we need to basically my buddy would say copy pasta. Basically what this is here, but in here, where was it? It was in add action button, this one. Let's copy. Whoa! And that is in start, right? One of these is in the start, yeah. So we don't want to do that. Where's all the stuff where we're getting at? I think it's in view control. Set. Open action button. This dot set parent. View control dot add new action. So I think it's basically this. Oop. So it should be good. And then we just need to go in here and make sure that that script is actually added to the action button. So let's go ahead and add that script. Add action button. No, not add action button. Open action button. So now that's in there. Oh man. Okay. Oh. Now we need to have it set text. Oh, also let me make sure that it actually deleted the old piece. Okay. So that's working good. 27 minutes. So here's the segment name. Button clone segment name. Yep, that's it. That's everything that's in there. This is that segment bar. Yeah, that's all. It deleted itself. Okay. I like it. Now I need to have the button get the text, and that is in this dot. I think it was the get child. So I don't have that anymore in my. I'm pretty sure that the button's got text in it. So let's look for that. Button text. Button. Button. Yeah, it doesn't have text in there, so you have to get this one. Okay. And then set that text. So let's see. Let's go back. Get child. This one. Okay, and then we need to do. It's not letting me copy paste it. That's because this. I got some sort of weird glitch. Okay. This game object transform get child. This game object. child 0, and then basically text and get component capital text. I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay. Also, am I setting the text in here? Oh, it's sending the... Yeah, I am setting the text. Okay, this is obviously going to blow up. Generally, it's just like... Alright, let's look for... There you go. That was close. See, you gotta Google every once in a while. There's people that have been working on this, platform for a lot longer than I have. I'm definitely going into to interface development a little further than probably most people would. Damn it. Whoops. Button, whatever. So this dot get component in children text. Get component in children. And then what is it? Is it the, yep. Did I do that? I did do that, didn't I? Oh, I did. Okay. There we go. Hallelujah. Get action text. Blah, blah. Okay. Now, let's see what happens. Add action. Blah, blah. Blah, blah. Oh! Yeah. Alright, took 35 minutes to get that functionality to work. Next question is, does it actually do it again? Oh, baby. So then the next functionality that we're going to do in the next video is where you have a little button here where this switches it back to the segment name, and then you basically keep going around in circles. This is going to be like add function. Oh, sweet. And then this would... Whoa. That shouldn't be draggable. I might have to get that, or that can't be draggable. Anyways. I just noticed that. That's pretty weird. Oh, so I mean, you kind of drag these guys around. don't want to drag that around now. Alright, anyways. That's basically it. I'm going to make sure I save. Alright, so this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials. I thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and our series as well. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.